How to fix message notification not working in Oppo Reno 14f. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps. Click on app management. Click on messages app. Now here you can force stop your messages app. Now click on force stop and then click on force stop again. After force stop your messages app, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on sound and vibration. Click on do not disturb, and here you can check your do not disturb. If you turn on your do not disturb, then turn it off. After turn off your do not disturb, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Now here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.